Hey guys, it's Dan and Abi back again. And today we're going to start speaking about mindset, growth mindset, and how to stay motivated whilst building and creating your online business.
Hi guys, so I'll take it away for now. So when it comes to mindset in business, mindset is really important, and you need to understand in order to even grow your business or start your own business, your mindset is key. If your mindset isn't there, then honestly forget about it, because your mindset is such a powerful tool. Your mind takes you to so many places, and I'd say this: if your mind is not there, start reprogramming your mind, start building certain habits that are positive, of course, which will then influence your mind into getting to the place you want to be.
Yeah, absolutely. And I always have this saying as well, is that if you don't know what a word means, then you have no means to use it. So what does mindset mean? Simply put, mindset is like an established attitude that is held by someone. In a word, a mental disposition or inclination, or a frame of mind. Now, it can be fixed or you can have growth. Okay, those are the two basic mindsets that generally shape our lives. So that if you was to imagine less will be what you undoubtedly deserve. If you imagine more, then more is what you're going to get. And it does very much work like that. You know, imagination for me is the best nation. You know, do what you love and don't stop until you get what you love. You know, work as hard as you can and imagine immensities, you know, and that's how mindset works really. It's getting into something, fixating on it, and then growing on that fixed mindset.
Yeah, 100%. And the thing is with mindset, understand that I know that there could be so many different people around you that may not have that mindset. And this is why you really need to feel like your mind is your holy temple. And what I mean by that is only let positive people get in there. Don't let that negative force come into your mind, because when that does happen, that's when your whole mindset changes. You start doubting yourself, you start questioning yourself, you start thinking, oh, well, my mum said this, my dad said that. And you know what I mean? Because the thing is, family is everything. But sometimes if your family member didn't have that type of mindset you have, they may say something that is totally against you. And then in your mind, it will then start creeping doubt.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And it really is everything you have. You know, are you going to give up, or are you going to have some fight left in you? You know, your mindset will determine everything, and it's going to determine whether you make it or not. Your mindset is going to be, you know, whether you're remembered or whether you're forgotten. Yeah, and you need to be committed to change. You know, you can't change the world unless you change yourself. You know, for things to change, you must change, simply. Because I myself, again, has been through so many changes in my life, and for me as well, there's been nobody ever in my family above me I've been able to kind of take that from. This is everything that my mindset is something that I've had to learn and develop myself. And that can be very hard to do. Hence why we do these videos for you, to kind of be there and help you in the struggle that we know that it is. Because I can tell you even today, it's still a struggle. Motivation is a little bit like showering. You know, I recommend it daily. Yeah. Because it is, you know, there's some mornings if I have slept, then I'll wake up and I'll be like, oh, definitely not getting out. But I do, yeah? And once you put one foot out of the bed, followed by the other foot, and they both land firmly on the floor, and then you take a walk to wherever, to the kettle or to the bathroom, that's the first step, that's the first goal. You've got that far, you may as well keep on going. No human goes through life without huge challenges. The mindset with that is without doubt your greatest asset, because it's worth more than any financial or business training that you can ever get. It's more valuable than any degree, education, or any job references. Yes. It is capable of earning more in 1 year than any doctor, dentist, or investor, right? That is the truth. Yeah? Yes. Mindset.
This is such a powerful topic that I'm so passionate about. Yeah, I've got a degree, but who cares? The thing is, with my whole thing with mindset, I didn't get that in university at all. And a lot of people, like the government, the society, they show us that, oh, you know, you need to have this education in order, you know, to get X, Y, Z. It don't work like that. Because if you see these millionaires right now, A lot of them do not have a degree. A degree, honestly, I know some people be against this, but a degree kind of sets you on a salary, because the point of having a degree, it gets someone into a job. And the thing is, do you not want to build your own business? For my own experience in university, no one showed me nothing about mindset. Even at school, no one shows you nothing about mindset. And this is why it's so important to gain knowledge for yourself, because understand, if you're that person that didn't have, an A level or whatever it is, or a degree, it doesn't matter. Guys, I know there's going to be some people that comment like, oh, shut up, blah, blah, blah. No, it's true, honestly.
Yeah, there's too many educated fools in this world that give up at the first hurdle. Yeah? Yes. And I don't mean that in a bad way, but they do. And I've seen so many people that are smart and they have the potential, but they're just like, oh no, it's so hard, and mummy and daddy are gonna pay for it. Yeah, no, just get out of that. Like, there is nobody in this world who's gonna take care of you. You've got to do it yourself. I'm looking to now just branch out and create more and more and more, and it will never stop. I can tell you now that even when I retire, it's not really gonna be retirement, because I will be bored. I ain't chucking iron around a field for a membership just to rub shoulders with people that are drinking gin. Not a chance. I'm sorry, like, to people that like golf, that's fine, it's your choice, but I can't do that.
Like, it's so true. And the thing is, understand, even when you have your own business, you should never be afraid to learn more. I honestly remember, before this whole thing, I remember that after university, I was like, I'm not going to learn nothing anymore. I'm not going to do another degree, all that stuff. Yeah. And the thing is, my whole brain literally changed when I had my daughter. As soon as I had my daughter, literally, like, I was about to graduate, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm pregnant with my long-term boyfriend. And I was like, oh my gosh. But I was kind of scared, thinking, oh my gosh, what do I do? Like, I don't even have whatever it's called, a career. But my daughter is such a blessing, because if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have changed my whole mindset. My mindset was the 9-to-5 mindset. A lot of people are in that 9-to-5 mindset in university. You can do it. If I can do it, you honestly can do it. I said to myself, I'm not going to be the mothers that say, oh, I can't do this because of my child. No, I don't like to hear excuses. And that is why I build and build every day, because number one, someone's looking up to me. And number two, it's for my own wealth and being. And this is how a lot of mothers and people in the world need to think.
The same for myself. I'm a father, 2 kids, 2 and 3. One's going to be 4. It's, part of what I do, and if I do sleep, I still get up at like 5, 6, and they hear me get up. I'm always doing work, but I always make time for them. But the fact is, they are, throughout their whole infancy and even growing up, they're going to see, daddy going out the door to work, or daddy doing this, daddy's always doing that. And naturally, they're going to have that mindset to want to work, because there ain't no way I'm giving them money to go and blow. If they have an idea that they want to do something, then I will fund it and teach them how to do it. But there is no way I'm just going to chuck money at them to go travel in the world and go, hi, yeah. I was in Prague last year. I'm on a gap year. Not a fucking chance. I tell you that now. Like, if they're going to Prague, then they're going to learn the culture, and they're going to come back and implement it into something. Do you know what I mean? I'm a very culturous man. I'm not religious, but there is no culture that I disrespect, and there's no one religion that I stick to. I appreciate everybody's views, and I take it on board with that into my life and also into the business that I do, because the world is everybody's home. If you see nothing worthwhile in life, it doesn't come easy, okay? Because if it did, then everybody would be doing it, yeah? As the saying goes, they don't do it because it's hard, because their standards are set by their peers, or because they lack courage. It's because their mindset is stuck on the easy road. Fair enough to say. Worst part for those people is the easy road becomes the hard road. Now, the easy choice in the beginning then leads to tough moments later on in life. It's kind of what you sacrifice now, and you enjoy the benefits of the many tomorrows. Your mindset is going to determine whether you smash your goals or whether you fight for your goals. It's going to determine if you're among, the top percentage who employ the bottom percentage.
anyone can do it. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what country, well, same thing, what country you live in, your background, it doesn't matter. Don't feel like, oh, I can't do it. I don't have the money. I don't have this. No, the thing is in life, a lot of people also feel like you need to, pay something in order to, like, for example, people don't think outside the box, basically. And you know what? You don't need to think outside the box. What is it that you like to do? And if you feel like you can accomplish 6 or 7 figures in it, go for it.
Yeah, it's not about reinventing the wheel. It's about doing it better. That's why you've got so many brands of tires, because they're all wheels, but some are better than others. Some are made for this and some are made for that. And that is all about just having an idea or taking an idea, rather than steal it from them, go to them, get in partnership with them. You've got a business. If you're watching this now and you think, well, no, I can't do it, comment below and I'll tell you what, we'll do a webinar. How about that? We'll do a webinar with you. And if there's a couple of you, we'll do a webinar. Let's get together. Let's hear your thoughts. If it's something that we think we can help you with, which 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be, then there's no reason why we're not gonna help you to get started on your idea. That's what the goal of this is. That's what the mindset, the growth mindset is about, is about giving back, because what we teach others will last forever. I'll say that again, what we teach others will last forever. Exactly. Get in touch, leave a comment, honestly, like, guys,
we're always here to help, and we know that if we've helped ourselves in the years, we can help you too. And understand, you don't need to be a superstar. You don't need to be, well, I'm not known in the society. It doesn't matter. You grow your platform and you could be someone else's person that you're looking up to. And honestly, that's in day-to-day life. There's always someone that looks at you and looks up to you. You don't even know it, but there is someone that always does that. And so understand, if you know that, or if you want to grow your business, if you don't know where to start, we will have a webinar for you, probably be Fridays.
And if you've got any questions as well, comment below what you want us to talk about, because we've got plenty to talk about, honestly. We try and limit these, because as you can see, I love to just go off on a tangent and talk about absolute waffle, but somehow it just all makes sense. But if you have a question, if you want us to talk about something specific to you, let us know, and we will even go as far as get you in the video if that's something you would like. And we'll talk to you head on head. We'll do a live chat, we'll do a webinar, and let's talk. Let's spread the message. Let's get people involved that wouldn't normally get involved.
Thank you, Dan. So guys, today it was me and it was Dan. And as you heard Dan say today, leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe and ring that bell as well. Click on that bell button. So then every time we upload, you get that first pick, you get that first comment, and we're here for you.
Excellent, guys. See you next time.
All right. Bye, guys.
Cheers.